Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A1 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. So it's really minimalistic launcher, as you can see. It's really minimalistic. We have here only home screen with favorite tabs, and here we have alphabetical line to quickly find any applications. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So open it, and here you will see the groups. As you can see, here you have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. And all applications you will install, they will automatically group by groups in the main menu, and it's really handy to use. But why I really like this launcher is because here we have the wallpaper gallery, and this wallpaper gallery renews every day. The most beautiful wallpapers are here, not in the Bing, not in the Google, not in the wallpapers engines and other applications, but here in the Smart Launcher 6. Here are the greatest wallpapers ever you've seen. So as you can see, I have new wallpaper set, and I, for example, want to use this wallpaper, and it's really great, it's really beautiful, it's really cool. So cool. And on the third place in my top, of course, is Microsoft Launcher, because it's very functional, so we can set up really everything here. For example, on the left side of our first home screen, we can start the glance panel. Glance panel is the panel when you can set up all your widgets in the way you want. For example, if you need several widgets to have on your home screens, of course you can't have it all on the one home screen. So you need to use several screens. It's not handy to use. But Microsoft Launcher resolved this problem. So resolving this problem, because here on the left side glance panel you can set up all your widgets. In the main menu you have alphabetical line to easy find an app. You have hide an app, so you can hide applications you are not using every day. And here in the settings you have gestures, and you can set up it in the way you want. For example, I have set it up to opening applications. Of course, you can set it up to do any other actions, but I am opening applications. For example, double tap for me is opening the calculator, and when I am making the double tap on my home screen, I am opening the calculator. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.